Hey peeps, Student here from Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. We're on question 2.2.3 from the 2018 grade 11 Maths Lit paper 2. This question deals with data handling and in particular drawing a bar graph from a set of information. It says use the answer sheet provided and draw a bar graph showing the amount of grams for each of the following drinks. So they've given us this bar graph. Remember, we continue in question 2, which they, in the previous question, gave us annexure A with the different amounts of grams of sugar for each each drink. And you can see we have the various drinks and their respective grams of sugar. So first off, we need to write, using that table or graph rather, how many grams are in a bottle of flavored water. So going back, we can see that this flavored water has 30 grams. So we'll just fill these out so that we can work with it. So the first one is 30. The amount of vitamin water, it's over here, is 27 grams. So this is going to be 27. Then for iron brew is going to be over here, and it's 37 grams. And then, sorry, for the next one is Fanta orange, which is over here, and it's 41 grams, as we can see. So this is 41, and finally Coca-Cola over here, we can read off that it's 35 grams. Okay, so now we have the values for each flavored water, for each drink. Of course, our first drink is the flavored water, and this answer sheet has given us everything already done on the graph in terms of labeling the x-axis with each drink, putting a title, and then the amount of grams of sugar, and it's on the y-axis. So for every 5 blocks, it's 5 grams, same as the 10th block is the 10th gram, and so on. So now we need to plot this graph. So for your flavored water, it says 30, so we can read 30 off over there. So using your ruler, we do need to mark off, so try and be as neat as possible. So the 30 grams is over there. Use a ruler, and then to be as neat as possible, you then draw your line going down like that, and then the same for over here. So that's your flavored water. Then we move on to vitamin water, which is 27 grams, and it's going to be over here. And 27, so if this is 25 plus 1, that's 26, plus another one is 27, so it's going to be on this line. So we draw the line at 27, and then again, using your rulers, draw a line going down. Try and be as parallel to the graph as to the y-axis as possible. Then we put our ruler down. This goes down there. So that's the next graph. Then for iron brew, it's 37. So that's going to be up there. So at 37. So we're going to have to draw a line over there. So 37 is over there. Using a ruler again to go down. And then same thing goes over here. So that is your spar letter. And now we need to go with Fanta Orange, which is 41, which is over there. So we're going to draw our line over there. Again, we need to be as neat as possible with our ruler. Need to go over there. And it's a bit difficult to draw directly on the computer without on a physical piece of paper, so you will need to be a bit more neater than me if possible. And so then finally Coca-Cola for 35, we read it off, it's over there, so we're going to have to draw a line over there. And then again, using my makeshift ruler, so it's a bit skew, so please in your exams try not be as skew as me, but that's basically how it is done. So besides the neatness, that is how we draw a bar graph, and just remember to be as straight and linear as possible. This is what it looks like. I will quickly paste the answer sheet version of this just so you can see what it looks like neatly. So there I've just pasted the answer sheet. As you can see, it's very similar, except it's much more neater. But you can see the general shape is still the same. It starts up, goes down and up and down again, which is what we've got going over here. And it's the end of 2.2.3. Before I go, I just want to give a special thanks to our epic sponsors for making this video possible. Read all about them in the description below. Be sure to visit our website for more of these epic tutorials. Remember, if you can't find the answer to your question, you can always send us your question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. And until next time, stay epic.